In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete ChatGPT photo history. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using ChatGPT on. Now, deleting your photo history involves clearing the specific images you have uploaded to your chat threads, purging the entire conversation memory layout where those photos were processed. And ChatGPT stores images as an integrated part of your prompt logs, meaning image files are directly tied to individual chat histories. So what you could do is, let me just go ahead and open up ChatGPT right now. Whenever it's open, if I press this sidebar thing, I can delete individual chats if I want to go ahead and do that. Once I delete them, those images that are in those chats are also going to be deleted. But if you used an image to teach the chatbot to a specific personal, preferences or profile trait, ChatGPT's background semantic memory engine may have extracted and saved details from that photo into your permanent user profile layout. So all I want to do is click my profile icon, then go over to settings, and then go over to the personalization tab layer. Locate the memory section block. Then once you go ahead and find this memory area, all you want to do is click on the manage link text utility. And then if you have reference saved memories or anything like that, go ahead and turn these off if you want to go ahead and do that. And what you could also do is navigate to general if you want to clear your entire chat history. Now, once you're in general, you're going to see a lot of different things right here. But all you want to do is find a clear all chats, area. And once you go ahead and find clear all chats, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.